Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mama Ninja TV. Today guys, we'll be doing cleansing of system. We will clean our system today. And what we need now ginger, lemon and green tea. Okay, so now what we go to use for this cleansing of our system. But before they show now the way I they do, okay, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I just drop my video, you go to see it, okay? So let's go. This is my lemon, okay? This is my lemon. This is my ginger, and this is my green tea. You can see it, green tea, okay? Also, we need our hot water. So you just pour your hot water in your glass cup. When they pour the hot water inside our cup, okay? So put your green tea inside. Put one inside. Just drop it inside, okay? Then you take your ginger. This is my ginger. It's already clean. I don't clean already. So before you use your, make sure say you clean out too, okay? So just cut it. You just cut them small. Just cut it like this, okay? Then you take your lemon. You just take your lemon, cut it into two, half, okay? Not full one. You use your half, but if you plenty, you fit use your full one. But me, I dey use half because now just small one I dey make. And then you drop the water inside, okay? Just drop, okay? And so, okay, then you mix together. You mix, and then you wait for like 2 minutes or that 3 minutes so that all will feel come together. Okay, so let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, this is it. 2 or 3 minutes, okay? Just leave it 2 or 3 minutes. Then you take away your green tea. You move on. No, just move on carefully. So that the green tea not go burst inside. Okay, not go open inside. This is it. Then you also take away your ginger. Take it away. This method, if you still cook am for fire, like if you still cook am, okay? If you cook am for fire, the two ways they good. Okay? Then with this, you are good to go. Just drink, and then your system will be okay. If you drink this one, you go dey very, very good that day. You go dey strong. Okay, just try this method, this home remedy for your house. Tell me how you work. Write down under my video how you see this my home remedy of cleansing your system. Okay, just write down, say this the way it go. Okay, you are good to go. You just drink. So is it. Is it. You don't need to add sugar or any other thing, okay? This is just it. Drink it for your system so that your system will be clean, your system will be okay for the day. You can drink this, like say, once a week or once a month, depend on you. It's very, very good for the system. What we need again? Lemon, green tea, and ginger. Okay? Go to your supermarket, all these things, you will see them for there. Just buy them, make them, and you dey healthy. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop any of my video, you go see am, okay? Thank you guys for being here, and bye. Love you guys. Bye.